Sabi ng iba, Doc, may EC, Empowered Consumerism. And then may ECC, E-Crowd Commerce. What's E-Crowd Commerce? E-Crowd Commerce is a combination of two terminologies, e-commerce and crowdfunding. What is e-commerce? E-commerce is the sales or purchases and delivery and marketing of goods online. Now let's be specific. Here in the Philippines, last 2021, the market sales reached $17 billion. Ganyang kalaki ang benta ng e-commerce here in the Philippines 2021 pa lang. Now, because of 73 million online active users, ganyang kalaki yung inabot na sales here in the Philippines. And who would ever thought Filipinos, ordinaryong masang Pilipino, bibili online? Ang daming strategy to sell online. Some are doing content creation, some are doing endorsement, some are doing high-profile endorsements, high-ticket item endorsements. Now, the goal is, by 2025, according to market research, it will increase and reach $24 billion. In short, palaki ang nabebenta online. And I'm sure most of you have experienced buying stuff, buying things online. Tama po ba? So how can we participate on this? Okay, now we have on the e-commerce side what we call ECC or E-Crowd Commerce Affiliate Program. Now the affiliate program has been increasing, the industry has been increasing every week, every month, every year. Ang daming gustong mag-affiliate. Kasi gagawa ka lang ng simple content o mag-grab ka lang ng content, ipopost mo lang. Pag may bumili, i-deliver, kikita ka na. So that's what you will do. Enroll. We have an educational course for this. 1,000 pesos lang. May magtuturo kung paano ka magiging affiliate ng Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. Gagawa ka ng shop. Okay po ba yun? Ituturo yung do's and don'ts. Ano ba yung mga dapat at hindi ko dapat gawin when I'm doing affiliate program or selling a product under these social media platforms. May certification din to. And then pag nag-post ka na, pag may bumili, we will fulfill. Kami yung magpa-process ng benta, kami yung magdi-deliver, and then ikaw, kikita ka na lang. In short, wala kang puhunan. Nag-video ka lang o nag-grab ka lang ng video, pinost mo, pag may bumili, kami na magdi-deliver, kami magpa-process ng benta, kami tatanggap ng benta, yung commission mo, ipapadala na lang sa'yo. Maganda o napakaganda? So that's what we call ECC affiliate programs. Okay? Now the crowdfunding part, Doc, naintindihan ko na yung e-commerce. Ano naman yung crowdfunding? Crowdfunding is funding a project or small venture to raise money from a large number of people. For so many years, we want to teach you how to invest properly. Recently, may isang company nag-viral, pinasara ng SEC, ang pangalan, Sitaw. Yung Sitaw na ina-adobo lang natin, naging company pala. Ang daming na-scam. So with our company, it's crowdfunding. We will teach you how to invest properly. Kanino ba maganda mag-invest? Of course, to people with track record. Everybody say track record. Mahirap yung mag-invest ka. Sinong company ba yan? Wala eh. Website lang eh. Pag nawala yung website, talo ka na. Tama o tama? Sino hahabulin mo? Yung friend mo na nag-invite sa'yo para mag-invest doon. Eh, paano kung yung friend mo nagtago na? Wala na. Paano kung yung friend mo wala rin pera? Wala na. So wala ka nakahabulin kung website lang. Tama o tama? So with this, you will see later who are the people and companies backing this up, the campaign we call E-Crowd Commerce. Guys, yung magsa-certify nito, mga financial institutions. So you can now call yourself investors. So dati-dati pag tinanong ka, ay online ako, onliner ako. Ano ka, hubber ako? Ano ka, marketer ako? Ano ka, entrepreneur? Ngayon may dadagdag ka, /investor. Maganda o napakaganda? As I mentioned, may certification to. So yung magbibigay ng workshop dito, mga financial institutions, certified by SEC mismo. So maganda po ba yun? So abangan niyo yan, malapit na. We will make it available online para anywhere in the world, lahat ng grupo nyo and prospects can attend this and they can be certified as investors. Eto na, I'm proud and I'm excited and I'm happy to announce we are launching our own legitimate investment program. We're calling it at eCrowdCommerce the 8-month investment programs. 8 buwan lang po. So yung pera mo kikita ng 8 months. Hindi 1 year, hindi 6 months, 8 months. Ilang months po? 8 months. Pero watch out kasi may perks kapag mas malaki pa yung i-invest or may additional benefit. Okay, we have 3 packages. We call it the silver package, the gold package, and the platinum package. Sa silver package, may A, 30,000. Can you imagine for as low as 30,000, pwede kumita ng malaki yung pera mo in 8 months? We call it investors inclusivity. Before kasi pag sinabing investors, ay para lang sa mayayaman yan. Para lang sa may 1 million, 10 million, 50 million yan. Hindi po. For as low as 30,000, pwede ka na maging investor. Maganda o napakaganda? With 30,000 and 50,000, your money can earn 8% in 8 months. Klaro po ba? That's the silver packages. The gold packages, we have A and B, 100,000 and 500,000. Your money can earn 9% interest rate in 8 months' time. Maganda o napakaganda? No, mas malaking investment, we call it the platinum packages. A, 1 million pesos. B, 3 million pesos. It can earn 10% in 8 months' time, plus. So, ibabalik sa iyo yung puhunan mo, plus 8%. Ibabalik sa iyo yung puhunan mo, plus 9%. Ibabalik sa iyo yung puhunan mo, plus 10%. Klaro po ba? Doc, ano pa yung difference niyan? Eto na, let's discuss it one by one. Sa silver packages, here's how it goes. So you invest 30 or 50,000. Your interest income, we call it yung monthly interest, we call it interest income. Your interest income will be released on the 8th month. So after 8 months, mo pa makukuha yung interest. Your full capital will be released on the 8th month as well. Para po ba yun? That's for the silver package. Now, kapag ka gold packages, iba. Mas maganda, mas lucrative, mas kaakit-akit. Yung interest income mo will be released every 2 months. So may isosoli sa'yo na 2nd month, 4th month, 6th month, and then isosoli yung full capital mo on the 8th month. Ilan ang ibibigay sa'yo? 9% in 8 months time. Klaro po ba yun? Now here's the ultimate package, what we call platinum package. Interest income will be released every month. So ibibigay na kagad yung interest. The full capital amount will be released on the 8th month. So ibabalik yung puhunan mo after 8 months, pero every month yung interest ibibigay na sa'yo. Maganda o napakaganda? But wait, there's more. If you're platinum A, meron ka pang 2 months, sinoli na yung puhunan mo on the 8th month. Ika-9th month, nasoli na yung puhunan mo, kumita ka na every month, month 1 to month 8. Ika-9th month, meron ka pang 1%, at ika-10th month, may 1% ka pa ulit. Maganda o napakaganda? Kapag ka-package B naman na platinum, may 2 months extended interest income ka rin, pero hindi 1%, 1.25%. So effectively, hindi lang siya 10%. Tumataas pa siya. Okay? So, we will start this by first week of December. Now, for those investors, kasi for as low as 30,000 lang, investor ka na. Pwede mo na idagdag sa calling card mo yun, ilagay mo sa Facebook mo, nakalagay investor ka na. Pag nag-refer ka ng kapwa investor mo, may 2% ka. Maganda po ba yun? Now, we're so excited with this. This is the first direct selling company na may legitimate investment program. Now, who are the people backing this up? At eCrowd Commerce, a legitimate investment. One, kilala niyo na kami, AIM Global Group of Companies. Nakilala mo na si AIM Global from the Philippines, nakarating ng iba't ibang bansa sa Asia, nakarating ng iba't ibang bansa sa Middle East, nakarating ng Europe, nakarating ng Africa. Tama o tama? Nakita mo na yung iba't ibang divisions natin. The Orbis Victus International, yung Bibo Super App, kung yan yung payout natin. Narinig mo na rin yung Alpha East Franchise Corporation with our matching. Narinig mo na yung eVator International na ating travel online agency. Narinig mo na yung AIM Realty at narinig mo na rin yung Riders Economy Development. Na these are the future extension and divisions of the company or our ecosystem. So we've been existing for 18 years. Marami na bang napayaman? Marami pa bang papayamanin? Marami pa, not only here in the Philippines, but outside the Philippines as well. Who are backing this up? Ayan na. Round 1. Everybody say round 1. Round 1, ang parent company niya is called Eastern Securities. Ang Eastern Securities was founded 1977 pa. It's been existing for 47 years. Ang office niya sa Philippine Stock Exchange, sa BGC. And most importantly, ang SEC, binigyan si Round 1 ng secondary license tumanggap ng investment. Kapag may mga investment na ganyan, ang unang-unang tanong, may secondary license ba yan ng SEC? Good news, yung kapartner natin company may secondary license. Excited ka ba? We've been meeting with them for the past few months and we signed up our agreement and our partnership contract with them for legitimate crowdfunding investment opportunity. Ginawa to sa office natin habang diskusyon for the past 6 months to offer legitimate license investment opportunities. So it's being backed up by AIM Global, 18 years, AIM Global Group of Companies. It's being backed up by Eastern Securities and Round 1, 47 years. Mga haligi sa industriya. Haligi sa industriya ng direct sales, haligi sa industriya ng investment, parehong may license, parehong legal tumanggap ng investment. Maganda po ba yun? Now, saan nyo makikita to? Very, very soon, this will be made available under your Bibo. Magkakaroon ng bagong icon doon ang tawag Bibo Invest. Pag kinilik mo, didiretso siya sa round 1. Makikita mo doon yung investment packages, 30, 50, 100, $500,000, 1 million, 3 million. You just need to choose kung silver package, kung gold package, or platinum packages. Now, good news. This coming 2025, narinig mo na yung eCrowd Commerce. Na-excite ka ba doon? Kasi pwede kumita yung pera mo at pera ng prospects mo. Tama o tama? We are so familiar with direct sales. Kaya nga kumuha tayo ng product na madaling ibenta. Mura, maganda yung packaging, free shipping, available sa social media. Guys, with Barley Glow, magkakaroon niya ng billboard. With Barley Glow, magkakaroon niya ng gwapong celebrity endorser. With Barley Glow, magkakaroon niya ng magandang celebrity endorser. At with Barley Glow, magkakaroon niya ng sangkatutak na Facebook ads para bumenta. For those people who are using ads, alam mo na yung ROAS, Return on Ad Spend. We've been studying and really digging deep about ROAS, and we got a partner who are so expert with this, teaching us and partnering with us para bumenta ng million-million araw-araw ng Barley Glow. Para sigurado yung investment makapag-pay out ng todo-todo. Maganda o napakaganda? Sa Easy at OBI nga walang endorser na artista, million ang benta. Tama o tama? Sa Easy at OBI nga, walang social media influencer pero million ang benta araw-araw. Eto kaya sa eCrowd Commerce, magkakaroon pa ng endorser, magkakaroon pa ng billboard, magkakaroon pa ng ads. Sigurado, million ang ibebenta nito araw-araw. Ang tanong, sasabay ka ba? You already have a system that works well. Active income. Now, this is a system that will work well, passive income. Wala kang ginagawa. Yung billboard na nagtatrabaho para mabenta yung produkto. Yung endorser na nagtatrabaho para ibenta yung produkto. Yung ads ang nagtatrabaho para mabenta yung produkto. In all that we'll be doing, the money that is invested on this will make its own interest and will make its own profit. Now, this 2025, kung na-excite ka sa eCrowd Commerce, I'm very sure mas may excite ka sa eCrowd Realty. Can you imagine? Isang hektarya, i-develop natin. Magkakaroon ng mga mini subdivision, mini condominium, may spa, may restaurant, may beautiful scenery. We're eCrowd funding this, and we're calling it eCrowd Realty, where all of us can be investors. Pag inoperate yung business, may porsyento ka sa kita ng business. Pag binenta natin yung real estate, balik yung pera mo, may malaking porsyentong babalik sa puhunan mo. And this is so exciting. This is backed up by real estate. Tangible, may value, madidevelop yung lupa, yung property, tatakas pa yung value. Kung nagawa nga natin sa Barley Glow, I'm sure mas magagawa natin sa real estate. Excited ka ba dito?